Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Stripe Payment Explained. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you've ever bought a t-shirt online, paid for a digital subscription, or tap your phone to buy a coffee, there is a massive chance you've already used Stripe without even realizing it. Now, it is essentially the invisible engine behind modern internet economy, making it incredibly easy for businesses to accept money from anyone, anywhere in the world. Now, think of Stripe as the universal bridge. On one side, you have the customer who wants to buy something using a credit card, Apple Pay, or local payment method. Now, on the other side, you have a business owner who wants that money securely deposited into their bank account. Now, in the old days of internet, connecting those two sides required months of paperwork, complex security setups, and heavy coding. Now, Stripe changed everything by turning the nightmare into just a few lines of code that a developer can paste into a website in minutes. Now, when a customer enters their credit card info on a website using Stripe, the magic happens in a matter of seconds. So Stripe immediately takes that sensitive data, instantly scrambles it using top tier encryption so hackers can't steal it or steal information, and sends a digital request to the customer's bank asking, "Hey, does this person have enough money for this purchase?" Now the bank gives the digital thumbs up here or thumbs down. Stripe security routes the funds through the credit card network, and the business owner sees a successful transaction pop up on their dashboard. Now, the main reason everyone from local coffee shops to massive tech giants like Amazon and even like Zoom swear by Stripe comes down to its sheer flexibility. Now, it isn't just a simple checkout button, it handles the entire back end of a business. They can manage complex monthly recurring billing for subscription apps, automatically calculate sales tax based on where the buyer lives, detect fraud using advanced AI algorithms, and even let platforms like Uber automatically pay out their drivers. Now, in this case, how do you get started here? Well, first things first is you want to go to stripe.com here and create your account. Now, usually at the top right, you should see the sign in button here. And once you are in the sign in, you should be able to create your account. Now, you can sign in manually or you can even use your already existing Google account. Once you are inside in here, in order for you to start using it, it is really important here that you set up your account. Like, for example, connecting accounts, connecting bank accounts in here. Now, in this case, you may want to open up some of the information here, like completing tax forms, compliances, your connected accounts, and also the payment section if you want to create your own payment link. Now, in here, go and choose payment links, and it should give you or redirect you to the create payment link section. Now, from here, you could go and choose either if you want to have customers pay for something or for subscriptions. Now, you can add the payment page. As you can see right now, this is a preview of the payment page, and you can even view the mobile version of that payment page. Now, you can add the product, some options in here, and also some advanced option. Now, in this case, depending on what you need, you could go and choose accordingly. Now, for business owners here, Stripe keeps things incredibly transparent. Now, instead of hiding fees in complex contracts, they generally operate in a straightforward pay-as-you-go model where they take a tiny percentage of each successful transaction. All of those sales flow into a beautifully clean online dashboard where an entrepreneur can track their daily revenue, manage funds, and see exactly where their customers are buying from. It basically takes all the stress and security liability out of the handling money online, allowing business owners to just focus on building their product while Stripe handles the rest. And that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.